In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove order history on Microsoft Rewards. If you've ever redeemed points and want to manage what shows up in your account, this walkthrough will help you find your order history quickly, understand what each entry means, and clarify what's possible when it comes to removal. Start by opening your browser and going to rewards.microsoft.com. Depending on your region, you may see a Bing Rewards welcome page. That's still the right place. Click Sign In and enter your Microsoft account details. Make sure you're using the same account you earn points with. Signing into a different account is the most common reason people can't find their past activity. If you're asked to verify your identity, just follow the prompts. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the page for your profile icon. It's the small circle that shows your picture or initials. Click it to open the account menu. If you don't see the icon, try widening your browser window or scrolling up. On smaller screens, the header can collapse. From that menu, choose Order History. This opens the page that lists everything you've redeemed with Microsoft Rewards. You'll see items like redeemed rewards, digital gift cards, and sweepstakes entries. Each line includes the date and a current status, such as pending, fulfilled, or canceled, so you can confirm exactly what happened and when. Use these details to match an email you received or to double check that a gift card code was issued. Now, an important note about removal. At the time of recording, Microsoft Rewards does not include a delete or clear option for order history. This section acts as a record of redemptions tied to your account, which helps with transparency, security, and support. You can review entries here, but you can't erase them from the ledger. If privacy is your concern on a shared device, the best practice is to sign out when you're finished and close the browser, or use a private browsing window so your session doesn't stay open. If something looks unfamiliar, the date and status fields make it easy to understand the context of an entry and are helpful if you ever need assistance. And if you ever switch between personal and work profiles in the same browser, signing out and back into the correct Microsoft account will refresh this page to show the right history. That's it. You now know exactly where to find your Microsoft Rewards order history, what information it shows, and the current limitation around removing it. Thanks for watching.